Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol iBio. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day, so a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first dynamic here that played out, which was relatively disappointing, is in regards to this level right here at, let's see, $2.20. So let's do this. It'll make more sense. So as you can see here, essentially the entire day long, the price was doing a great job of holding up above $2.25. I'm not going to count the number of times, but a whole variety of times the price went down there and did a good job of staying above it. Unfortunately, though, that's not the entire day, because the last part of the day, the price broke below it and then just continued on down. And this is where the big dynamic comes into play. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So I'm not saying the price can never get back up above 225. My point here is now I would definitely expect 225 to be a pretty stubborn area going into next week. Again, that doesn't mean that the price can't break above it, but if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, 225 is definitely going to be that near-term, public enemy number one that'll need to be broken up above. And then if the price can push up through there, next overarching level after that would be up around the 255 mark. But as of right now, talking about 255 is way too premature because first off, the price just has to be able to prove itself in the near term and one final time, quote unquote, prove itself, being defined as that 225 mark. Now, as far as areas of support are concerned, this is the other tricky part because as of now, the price is kind of in no man's land. Next level of support, not until down around $1.90, which would be that gap close. Now, gaps do not have to close. Nothing in the market has to happen. If that were the case, and that would imply there's guarantees in the market, and that just doesn't exist. But my point here is that, like I said, it's in no man's land. There just simply isn't any other areas of support. So I'm not saying the price is for sure headed down there, but the sooner the price can at least show some sideways action, that'll be the best for the overall, health of the chart. But overall, yeah, a good solid day, a little bit of a disappointing close, but next week is a new week, so we'll see if the momentum can continue to build upon itself. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.